Hi guys, welcome back to another new craft video. I hope you guys are all well and healthy. I am Shagor and you are watching Swag and Craft. So guys, today we will make a small Puja Mandop for home temple with craft paper, glitter paper and thermocol. So video will not be very long. We will just show you the necessary steps and give you the instructions so that you can make it yourself. So now let's take a look at the video. Let's go. These are the 4 pillars. We will cover the pillar with grey color craft paper. Now we are taking a orange glitter paper as the background. We will attach 2 pillars on the background like this. This is for the floor. We are giving 3 layers of thermocol with 3 different colors. Now we will attach the pillars. For this, we are using toothpick. If you want, you can use broomstick also. So these are all for the roof. We will cut off some part from this thermocol in rectangular shape so that we can fit our LED lamp into this. Let's cover this thermocol with craft paper. We used 4 colors as you can see. Let's fit the LED lamp now. Now we will do some design with glitter paper and then it will be absolutely ready. We hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, you can watch more videos like this. Just click here. And if you want, you can make such Puja Mandop at home, following the steps. Do subscribe our channel Swag and Craft for upcoming videos. So that's all for today. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. And thanks for watching.